Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a very quick and easy hairstyle for my daughter. She is stuck on twist and coils, so she loves the hairstyle that they do. So today we're going to be trying out a style from twist and coil. Continue watching if you want to see how that hairstyle turned out, and comment below and tell me how you think I did on this hairstyle.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
So this style is best done on hair that is already stretched. Our hair was washed earlier and blow dried, so now I'm going to style it. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing a zigzag part on the crown of the head. This section will go all the way down, only at the crown of her head. After making that zigzag part at the crown of her head, the section that is left, we're going to separate it in two parts. One section will be at the lower back and the other will be put away in buns until I'm ready to use that section. So now I'm just going to be doing some regular cornrows going down at the back of the head. All those cornrows will be going down. As you can see, she's watching one of her Coils. She is stuck on the YouTube channel. I will put the link to their video in my description box. Go over and check them out, guys. So you can see the back is complete, so it's time to move on to the top. I apologize for not filming there, guys, but the help that I had earlier, well, I no longer have that help. So you can see I did all the printed section there, going down as well, but at the top I parted the top in same design as the zigzag, therefore giving it a meeting point. And here I did the same thing for the top, except that I pulled the top up in a ponytail, still working from the design of the diamond, going around the zigzag shape, and we just pull it together in one at the top to form a ponytail. So there you go, guys, that is the final finished product, and if I do say so myself, it is looking pretty good and she loves it.